Chestnut Ridge Cyberbully Program. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is the repeated use of technology to harass, humiliate, or threaten. Facts about cyberbullying. 61% of teens report being bullied about their appearance. 7 of 10 report being cyberbullied by the age of 18. Common type of cyberbullying is making mean comments, and 64% of teens know their perpetrator from in person. Communication technology includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, and House Party. Long-lasting effects that cyberbullying has include depression, poor health, skipping school, or failing grades. Causes of cyberbullying include harassment, known as trolling, repeated sending of unwanted messages, impersonation or frapping, pretending to be someone you're not, intimidating, frightening, or making someone afraid through messages, dissing, trickery, or sending unwanted derogatory comments. Intervention and discipline can be done when materials are disruptive to learning, they intervene into the education process, they utilize school-owned technology for bullying, and they threaten others on infringing on their rights. Lastly, procedures for reporting bullying. Safe to Save app will continue to be used for anonymous tips. Teachers to students report the acts. They can also report the acts on social media and to demonstrate care.